So guys, thanks for joining me in this journey of fixing Dodge Journey rims. So what I have here is a pretty nasty ones. It's 2009 Dodge, my car, and yeah, these rims are terrible. Take a look here. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to do some polishing with the grinder. I'm gonna take off all the nasty stuff and old paint off, and probably I'm gonna repaint those. I'm not gonna leave it as it is. We'll see how it goes, and I'll show you the results. These are 17 inches rims, so I hope it's gonna be easy for me. I haven't done this before, and we'll see. Yeah, thank you. So I already done one of them here, and well, you can tell the difference, but the rest of them are in poor condition. Well, not that they're bent or what, but the paint job is terrible. So you can see the done one. Well, it's not done. It's so I polished it with the metal brush, and I still have something. This is just dirty, but yeah. So after a couple hours of work, yesterday I did polishing of 3 rims until my battery died on a screwdriver. And well, most of the things I've done with the grinder, large surfaces, but I wasn't able to get into the lug nut holes, so I used my battery drill to clean out the holes. I'll use them for some spots over here, but the battery ended, so I have another hour to wait until I can continue work on these 2 rims. So I have this one nearly done. This one I haven't really started. This is as bad as it was before, and I coated these 2 rims with the primer. It's a special primer for aluminum rims. So yeah, so these 2 are done. Now I just have to wait like 15 minutes more so I can put second coat on. So I'm gonna use I don't know what is it, a good company or not. I just went to a car paint shop and bought, they pre-mixed this one because they usually have like base colors like black, white, like regular colors, but I wanted to go with the how you call this one, carbon gray. So yeah, we'll see how it looks. It's not black and it's not gray, so it's something in the middle. I call it carbon gray. I'm not sure if it corresponds the color, but yeah, we'll see how it looks, and then you can decide if it's carbon gray or whatever different color. So that's one coat of the color. We'll see how it turns at the end. Okay, so we have the first coat of the primer on the second rims. It will take like 2 more coats, and I'll show you what's with the newly painted. So this is the rims that I've done. They've been here in half an hour now in the sun. They're safe to touch, but they just need a couple hours to harden the paint so that you can mount them on the car. But yeah, they look like this. So I call it carbon gray, but I don't know. Yeah. Well, compared to where they were, they're a lot better. And I didn't try to paint all the rims inside out because I don't really need it. Just need the face to be good. So, second coat applied. And probably need some 2 more coats, maybe 1. No, 1 definitely, but maybe 2. So guys, final product, and I think they look a lot better than before. So we'll see how it looks on the car, but I'm happy how it turned out. So